even where the majority of purchases within the business are on supplier invoices with credit terms, there will from time to time be the need to make ad hoc purchases, or indeed purchases where immediate payment is required, and this is done through cash purchase. So purchases, payments, new cash purchase. The supplier will default to cash purchases, but a particular supplier can be selected if required. The bank account defaults to petty cash, but if, for example, the payment is by cheque from the bank current account, or indeed, as in this example, a credit card payment from the company credit card, then these can simply be selected there. The supplier reference, which may be an invoice or receipt number, goes there, and the date of the purchase is entered here. Then simply enter the line item, which in this example is office cleaning. The price defaults to that held on the stock item file, but can be amended here. The VAT value can be entered here, and if the price type is a unit price, then of course we'll need to enter a quantity here. If the price type is a net value, that is to say that's the total net excluding VAT and total VAT for the transaction, then the quantity is ignored. Expense account, project code and department can be entered here in the same way as you would for any other purchase invoice, and when complete, simply save. The application creates both the purchase invoice on the purchase invoices listing screen, and you can see that in this instance the payment status is true, paid. It also creates a payment on the payment listing screen, and if we look at the supplier account for cash purchases, select that and look at the activity report, then we can see both the invoice and the payment appear on that account. Finally, it's important to note that if the cash purchase is for a stock item, then as with any other invoice, it is not the invoice processing which creates the stock transaction, and so we must ensure the create GRN box is ticked before processing the cash purchase, to ensure that a GRN is created for the stock item in addition to the invoice and the cash payment. So for a stock item, the supplier account as before will leave as a cash purchase. This time it may be that we've had to pay by cheque, and we can write in the cheque number here, date of the purchase and the stock item, and details as before. Then save, and once again we create a paid purchase invoice, a payment record, on this occasion we can see that we've also updated the stock with the quantity purchased. And you will have noticed the conversion from the supplier unit of measure or pack size to the stock unit of measure or pack size has actually taken place.